It has been breezy late this week, and our weather team says we're expecting more this weekend. A News 5 viewer reached out to ask our team about whether strong wind events are increasing. Meteorologist Casey Dorn is here to break it down for us. Casey.
Longtime viewer and Pueblo resident Richard emailed me a question earlier this week about changes in our wind patterns. He asked, is it my imagination or does Pueblo have more windy days than it used to? We get plenty of strong wind here in southern Colorado. In cities like the Springs and Pueblo, downslope wind events bring the strongest gusts. A good way to look at strong wind events is by looking at high wind warning days. They are issued in Pueblo for wind gusts at 58 miles per hour or more. Between 2005 and 2023, the National Weather Service issued high wind warnings in Pueblo County nearly 5 days per year. For comparison, in the same period, the NWS issued a high wind warning anywhere in southern Colorado around 10.5 days a year. As you can see, it's clear there's been more of these events in the last several years. But I spoke to the National Weather Service today, and we don't have a long enough data period yet to draw firm conclusions on whether there has been an increase in strong wind events. The average wind speed by year is impressively consistent. In the last 20 years, the average wind speed remained between 7.4 and 8.4 miles per hour. Let's also check on the wind direction of the strongest wind gust each year. From 2014 to 2018, the strongest gust was either out of the north or northeast. From 2019 to 2023, the strongest gust has been generally out of the west or northwest. Because of Colorado's topography, the direction the wind blows from plays a major role in how your home gets impacted. So if you're on the west side of town, you'll probably get hit harder by a wind out of the west. If you're on the east side, you'll get hit harder by a wind out of the east. So I am seeing a trend of stronger wind events, but more time and data is needed to draw a firm conclusion. If you have a weather question you want answered, you can email us at weather@koaa.com. Meteorologist Casey Dorn, News 5.